Good morning po.
Morning.
Good morning po.
Anong sa'yo?
Magkano po dito sa Skype?
8 isa.
Okay po. Ito po.
Yung spray mo.
Okay po, salamat.
What does he receive in return? He gets nothing. Won't appear on TV. Not famous. And still anonymous. Is it really worth it? Why do he keep doing this?
Good morning.
Good morning po.
At what cost? What he does receive are emotions. He became a part of something larger. He may not see the ripple effects, but they are there. He witnessed happiness, reaches a deeper understanding, feel the love, receives what money can't buy. A world made more beautiful. And in life, what is it that you desire the most?
Good morning. Gumising ka na. Gumising ka na. Gumising ka na. Gumising ka na.
Oy, gising na.
Sana pala naging mabuting tao na lang ako.
Remember, the greatest gifts are often the ones given without expectation, and those are the moments that truly define us.